Hi everyone, hope you're all well. I'm Jay, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously tangy sweet and sour sauce. As a thickener for the sauce, I'll be mixing 6 tablespoons of corn flour with a little bit of cold water. I'll set that to one side for a minute, and to a pot I'll add 300 milliliters of cold water. To the water I'll add 150 ml of vinegar. I'm just using an ordinary cider vinegar. Now I'll go in with 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now I'm going to be adding 9 tablespoons of sugar. You can give this a taste and see what balance of sweetness to sour works best for you. Then in goes the corn flour mixture. Then I add 1 tin of pineapple chunks, including the juice. Then I like to add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I'll just keep the sauce moving under a medium to high heat. The tomato sauce has clumped up and floated to the top, as you can see, and the colour looks off, but just keep stirring and the colour will come back as the corn flour cooks out. It doesn't take long for the sauce to thicken and the colour to return. The sauce has thickened now and the corn flour is all cooked out. It's time to take it off the heat. And there it is, quick and easy, homemade sweet and sour sauce. Can be made well ahead of time. Tomorrow I'll be making a delicious sweet and sour chicken. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.